You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce this name? Is it LIV Golf, Live Golf, or Live Golf? It sounds like the official pronunciation is Live Golf rather, but many still say it as Live Golf too, Live Golf or Live Golf. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. How should it be pronounced? What do you think? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.